Imagine, if you will, the unthinkable. What if Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, were to collide with Venus, its larger, fiery neighbor? This hypothetical scenario might seem like a far-fetched plot of a science fiction novel, yet it's an intriguing concept that stirs the curiosity of astronomers and scientists alike. Mercury and Venus, two planets in our solar system, maintain a celestial dance around the Sun. Mercury, being the innermost planet, zips around the Sun at a faster pace than Venus. This interplanetary ballet is a delicate balance of gravitational forces. But what if this balance were to be disrupted by a cataclysmic event such as a collision? The potential consequences are as dramatic as they are fascinating. The impact of such a collision would be monumental. Imagine the force of billions of nuclear bombs going off at once. This is the kind of energy we're talking about. The shockwaves from the impact would reverberate through both planets, causing seismic disturbances and dramatically reshaping their surfaces. Debris from the collision could be blasted into space, altering the local planetary environment. Venus, our second planet, is notorious for its thick, toxic atmosphere, primarily composed of carbon dioxide. A collision with Mercury could drastically disturb this atmosphere. Gases could be released, altering the atmospheric composition. A shockwave could ripple through Venus's atmosphere, causing disturbances in weather patterns and atmospheric circulation. Mercury and Venus, while possessing magnetic fields, have fields that are significantly weaker than Earth's. A collision of this magnitude could disrupt these magnetic fields, leading to changes in the magnetospheres of both planets. Interactions between their magnetic fields might give rise to unique phenomena such as magnetic anomalies or the generation of powerful electromagnetic pulses. Interestingly, neither Mercury nor Venus have natural moons. However, the debris resulting from their collision could potentially coalesce into a new celestial body. This could result in the formation of a moon around one of the planets, or even the creation of several smaller moons, adding an unexpected element to the aftermath of such an event. While the idea of Mercury colliding with Venus is purely speculative and highly unlikely, delving into these hypothetical scenarios provides valuable insights. They allow us to deepen our understanding of the intricate dynamics of planets and the interconnected nature of our solar system. By imagining and studying these potential events, we gain a broader comprehension of the complexities that govern our solar system and the consequences of celestial collisions.